Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Achieve flawless finishes with the InnoCraft D1 LVLP air spray gun, the ultimate tool for DIYers, auto enthusiasts and woodworking pros. Engineered with low volume, low pressure LVLP technology, the D1 delivers maximum transfer efficiency and minimal overspray, saving you paint, time and cleanup effort. D1 spray gun kit provides everything you need to start: pressure regulators, oil water separators, frequently used nozzle sizes and more. You can start spraying projects right away. Experience exceptional paint atomization and efficient transfer with D1 sprayer. Achieve professional and even finish with ease, while saving paint and reducing environmental pollution. Ideal for automotive, furniture and DIY painting projects, the D1 LVLP spray gun features a durable one-piece forged aluminium body with Teflon coating. This upgrade enhances wear resistance and makes cleaning a breeze. Drizzle D1 LVLP spray paint gun is designed for easy use, with clearly marked scales and labels on the body for quick operation. Our quick startup guide, instruction manual and videos help you operate like a pro and start quickly. Crafted from premium grade stainless steel, this spray gun features an adjustable fan pattern, fluid flow and air pressure settings, offering total control for fine detailing or broad surface coverage. Take your painting projects to the next level with the Aero Pro Tools R500 LV LP air spray gun, a high-performance tool designed for precision, efficiency and pro quality results. Built with low volume, low pressure LVLP technology, the R500 offers exceptional paint transfer efficiency, delivering a smooth, even finish with minimal overspray and material waste. Equipped with a durable stainless steel needle and nozzle 1.3mm, this spray gun is perfect for applying automotive finishes, base coats, clear coats, lacquers and wood stains. Use the lower volume of air, 3.0 to 3.92 sm, and lower pressure 2.0 to 3.5 bar final atomized paint, creating a smooth finish with minimum overspray as compared to HVLP paint guns. Up to 65% paint utilization rate and 280mm spray width for less time and paint. Trigger with 2 gears, the first for dust cleaning, second for painting. Easy trigger, reduce operating fatigue. With 1.3, 1.5 and 1.7mm spraying replacement parts, great for both varnish and top coat using. Soft, super fine mist suitable for all kinds of surface. Get the job done right with the bang for buck high performance HVLP gravity feed spray gun, designed to deliver smooth, even coatings with outstanding efficiency. Featuring high volume, low pressure HVLP technology, this spray gun offers superior paint atomization with reduced overspray. Perfect for automotive refinishing, woodworking and DIY painting projects. Equipped with a stainless steel 1.4mm nozzle, this gun provides excellent versatility for spraying base coats, clear coats, primers and more. Come with a spanner wrench, cleaning brush, extra fluid cup filter, 2 replacement needles and an inline pressure gauge. This spray gun is very easy to install and designed for easy handling, reliability and durability. The gravity feed design ensures efficient paint flow and minimal waste, while the adjustable fluid control, fan pattern and air pressure knobs allow for full customization based on your project's needs. Its lightweight aluminium body and ergonomic handle reduce hand fatigue, making it easy to use for long periods. Whether you're touching up a car, refinishing furniture or tackling home improvement tasks, the bang for buck HVLP spray gun gives you professional quality results at a budget-friendly price. Elevate your painting projects with the professional HVLP spray gun, a top-tier tool engineered for accuracy, control, and a smooth, high-quality finish. Featuring high-volume, low-pressure technology, this spray gun maximizes paint transfer efficiency while minimizing overspray, saving you time, paint, and cleanup effort. Equipped with a versatile 1.4mm stainless steel nozzle, it's perfect for a wide range of applications, including automotive base coats, clear coats, primers, lacquers, and woodworking finishes. The HVLP spray gun hood is made of brass, wear resistant and corrosion resistant, 15 holes design, uniform atomization, excellent effect. Quarter NPT inlet and quick adapter of the same specification. Fluid control adjusts the amount of spray paint. Pattern control adjusts the fan pattern size, and the air conditioning valve provides the ability to adjust the airflow rate. It is designed to provide uniform spraying and particle size for all types of surface coatings. Last in our top 5 best paint gun for cars list is NACO 311213A Air Spray Paint Gun. The NACO 311213A Air Spray Paint Gun combines professional level performance with budget-friendly value, making it a perfect choice for DIYers, hobbyists, and automotive enthusiasts. Built with high volume, low pressure HVLP technology, it offers superior paint transfer efficiency while minimizing overspray, ideal for achieving smooth, even coatings with less waste. This spray gun features a 1.3mm stainless steel nozzle, optimized for light to medium viscosity materials such as automotive base coats, clear coats, primers, and woodworking finishes. The gravity feed fluid delivery design smoothly feeds your paint sprayer and works together with 3 adjustable valve knobs for precise paint application. The color-coded blue 1.3mm nozzle size is perfect for clear coat and a variety of automotive and household painting projects. Each 600cc or 20.3 flitter ounce aluminium cup comes with a lid, and each paint spray unit comes with a metal air gauge, regulator, cleaning brush, and a multi-size wrench for assembly-disassembly. The 600cc gravity feed aluminium cup ensures consistent flow and efficient paint usage, while the included air regulator and gauge provide precise pressure control for consistent results.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.